Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, I am happy to welcome you all for our online learning initiative. Class 12, subject Bio-Zoology, chapter 2, the name of the chapter is Human Reproductive System. Before going to see the chapter, I would like to discuss about the chapter outline. The first one is Human Reproductive System. Next one, Gametogenesis. The next one, Menstrual Cycle. Fourth one, Fertilization and Implantation. Fifth one, Maintenance of Pregnancy and Embryonic Development. And the last one is Parturition and Lactation. Introduction. Every living organism have the different types of organ system. For example, human beings have 10 different organ system is there. The number first one is integumentary organ system, digestive system, reproductive system, circulatory system and so on. Among the 10 organ system, the one among them is human reproductive system. Now I am going to discuss in detail about human reproductive system. Every organ system in the human body works as a constant and normal hemostasis. Once again I am repeating, every organ system in the human body works continuously to maintain hemostasis. Hemostasis is nothing but common equilibrium, steady state for the survival of an individual. The human reproductive system is very essential for the survival of the species. Can you get my point? The human reproductive system is essential for the survival of the species. In this reproductive system, there are four main functions. The first one is to produce gametes. The second one is transport and sustain these gametes. The third one is to nurture the developing offspring. And the last one is to produce hormones. These are the four main functions of human reproductive system. Once again I am repeating, to protect the gametes. Children, you know very well gametes, that means male gamete as well as the female gamete. Male gamete in the sense sperm and female gamete in the sense ovum. So to produce the gametes, to transport and sustain the gametes. Sustain means to keep. And third one, nurture, to nurture the developing offspring. And the fourth one is to produce hormones. These are the four main functions of human reproductive system. In this, the major reproductive events in human reproductive system are, the first one is gametogenesis. Wherever you heard the word genesis means formation. So gametogenesis means formation of gametes. Once again I am repeating, the first event takes place in reproductive system are gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is nothing but formation of gametes by spermatogenesis and oogenesis. So spermatogenesis means formation of sperm. Oogenesis means formation of ovum. Can you get my point? Second event is insemination, transfer of sperm. Once again I am telling, insemination, transfer of sperm by the male into the female genital tract. Female genital tract means vagina. So insemination means transfer of sperm by the male into female genital tract. This is the second event. Third event is fertilization. Fertilization is nothing but fusion of gametes, fusion of male and female gametes. You know very well, male gamete is nothing but sperm and female gamete is nothing but ovum. These two gametes fuse together, that process is called fertilization. See here, fusion of male and female gametes to form a zygote. This is a very important word. So once the male gamete fused with the female gamete, that zygote will form, zygote will produce. That process is called fertilization. Clear, children? Fourth event, cleavage. In short, cleavage means breakdown, split in two. Okay, so cleavage means breakdown or split in two. See, the rapid mitotic division, mitotic cell division means one cell divided into two, it splits into two. So rapid mitotic cell division of zygote. How the zygote will form? Once the fertilization is over, once the fusion of male and female gametes is over, zygote will produce. After that, the zygote split in two. Zygote undergoes mitotic cell division to produce a multicellular structure called blastocyst. Once the zygote is formed, the zygote undergoes mitotic cell division to form the multicellular structure called blastocyst. That process is called cleavage. Okay, the next one is implantation. Implantation is nothing but attachment. So attachment of blastocyst in the uterine wall. Uterine wall is nothing but uterus wall. So what is implantation? Attachment of blastocyst. Attachment of blastocyst to the uterine wall. That is called implantation. The next one is placentation. Placenta formation, that is called placentation. Placenta acts as a bridge between the fetus and the uterus. Can you get my point? Placentation. Formation of placenta. Placentation is nothing but formation of placenta, which is the immediate action, immediate connection between the fetus and the uterine wall. So placenta is nothing but a bridge like structure that connects the uterus wall and the fetus. So through the placenta only the nutrients are supplied from the mother to the fetus. Can you get my point? So placentation, formation of placenta, which is the immediate connection between the fetus and the uterine wall of the mother for the exchange of all types of nutrients. Okay, once again I am repeating, placentation means placenta formation, formation of placenta between the fetus and the uterine wall of the mother, through which the nutrients are supplied to the fetus. Can you get my point? Yes. The next one is gastrulation. Before that I said zygote formation. How the zygote will formed? Once the fertilization is over, fusion of gametes takes place, zygote is formed. That zygote on mitotic cell division to form a multicellular cell, that is called blastocyst. Here the process by which the blastocyst is changed into gastrula. So change of blastocyst to gastrula is called gastrulation. Once again I am repeating, the process by which blastocyst is changed into gastrula with the 3 primary germ layers. That is called gastrulation. The next one is organogenesis. Whenever you heard genesis means formation. Organogenesis means formation of tissues, formation of organs, formation of organ system. So that is called organogenesis. Clear? So formation of specific tissues, organs and organ system from the 3 germ layer, that is called organogenesis. Organo means formation of organs, formation of organ system, formation of tissues from the 3 germ layers. Okay. The last one is parturition. Parturition is nothing but expulsion, that is come out from the mother's womb. Expulsion of fetus from the mother's womb. Mother's womb is nothing but uterus. So this is called parturition. Parturition is a process of expulsion of fetus from the mother's womb. That is called parturition. So these are the events, reproductive events occurs in the human reproductive system. These functions or these events are carried out by primary and accessory reproductive organs. What is a primary means? Primary means main organ, important organ. So that is called primary, first organ. Okay. So the events, what are the events? The first one is, what is the first one? First events. What is the first event? Gametogenesis. Second one, very good, insemination. What is third one? Fertilization. Very good, fertilization. Fourth one, what is fourth one? Cleavage. Very good. Once the zygote formed means it is cleaved, cleavage. What is fifth one? Blastula formation. Right? No. What is fifth one? Implantation. Very good. Next one? Next one, gastrulation. So these are some of the events. That events is nothing but functions. So all these functions are carried out by organs, reproductive organs. They are primary reproductive organ as well as the accessory reproductive organs. Primary organs is nothing but main organs. Accessory organs means secondary organs. Can you get my point? So all these reproductive events, all the reproductive functions are carried out by primary as well as the accessory reproductive organs. Clear, children? The primary reproductive organs, namely ovary in case of female and testis in case of male. Ovary and testis, these two are the very important primary organ, primary reproductive organ. That ovary produce the gamete called ovum. Testis produce the gamete called sperm. So these are the gametes. Sperm is nothing but male gamete and ovum is nothing but female gametes. So these are the gametes. So primary reproductive organs, namely the ovary and the testis, are responsible for the production of ova and sperm respectively. The next one, the accessory organs. Accessory organs is nothing but secondary organs. Secondary organs. Okay. So accessory organs help in transport of gametes. Transport and sustain. What is the meaning of sustain? To keep. Sustain means to keep. Sustain the gametes and to nurture the development of offsprings. So the accessory organs plays a vital role in the transport of gametes as well as nurturing the development of fetus, nurturing the developing offspring. So these are the main important functions of accessory reproductive organs. Clear, children? Thank you children, we will see in the next class.